Here with me today, I've got a brand new Poly Studio P15. Let's find out what's in the box. Right here, I've got a card that shows me where I can go to download the Poly Lens app, which I've got open here. This is just where you'll go to adjust any camera settings, and if you've got Poly Plus, you can go here to reach out to support as well. And in this next compartment, I've got all the cords as well as the mounting clamp. So setting up the Poly Studio P15 from right out of the box, I'm first going to attach the power supply cords. And this cord will be plugged into the bottom of the device. Then I'm going to open up the clamp packaging, and I'll go ahead and attach that to the device as well. I'll attach the USB-C cable. Lastly, I'm going to plug the Studio P15 into a power source. Then it's ready to be mounted on the monitor. Just like that, I'm ready to go.